Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a long time, but I decided to just make a really quick clean with me. My house isn't dirty, but it's messy. So let's just pick up together. Next, I had to move on to the boys' car seats, and this was work, let me tell you. Someone didn't want to nap. Look, Ezekiel. Is that caca? Look. Show them. Where's the caca? Can you please throw these in the trash?
Yes.
It's all caca. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Thank you. High five. Woo! Good one. Okay, so these are vacuumed and wiped down. There's lots of crumbs on my floor. So yeah, I'm just allowing their actual like car seat padding I'm not allowing it. I put it in the washing machine, so it's washing right now. Then we're gonna air dry it, and hopefully I'll be able to assemble this back tonight, but if not, we'll definitely put it together tomorrow. So I will see you guys in a little while. So it is 10:35 at night. I am finally done cleaning with these car seats right here. So let's look at them. They look so much better than what they were looking like this afternoon. What do you think, Cinnamon? Did mommy do good? Wag your tail if it's a yes. Thanks. But I'm just gonna end this here. This is just a quick video that I feel like I needed to put out, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.